Net to say, hey, I was a swap a bum by the best. You ever come? That's also to say. Hey, say a friendly fire.
Oh, I see.
A fire, a friendly fire now.
Oh, well.
Also, well. Anyway. They say life outside assembly. Say.
I think so.
Ben Magakra.
Yeah, Ben Fakuyan show near Tiafuina. It has been a mix feelings. Officer, the trappings of office, the respect that you are accorded. The protocols that you have to go through.
Wow, free.
Yes, and then obey. When you say, "Wait me do pay," just say, "Be our authorization." Yeah, but see, you see, conduct here, maybe that respect in the but then can you force keeping your quiet, life after office, because who officer. No P. Wabusia Crampono, Yana, I didn't say when you're that Japa, the Ama Wabusia. Sometimes would be if a Kobe too quaint, Ubaya, and our source of bag, and as if you're afraid if you say Monsieur, Monsieur, Ubaya now, pay up back and why there was uncle. And correct me, Daddy, are you going back again? Now, if you both say, you go say, because you are bare 3 weeks on whom. And I'm going to come with you, Crampuna. If you want an panel, over Sorena and Crana as your Muku school. Also, about mother. And to be on to quaint. And so, maybe a cobbess a bear 1 month.
Painful.
What I say, sad getting now, yeah. Hard journey. So that's it. This way, yes, Sabio, or Papa Pabio, beginning with Chia, or no better no money. When you better not say, or no maybe I say. Aha. But then, Unyanda find out what is happening. You are able to visit your schools. But in the past, and the Ed is over my
yeah.
But in my case, dear, I think say, so quite a life run.
Okay.
Me enjoy quite life.
Oh, okay.
Because I take a decision say about where I queen must stand.
Okay.
Because some of us have the experience to be able to step.
All right.
In the field,
All right.
I mean, you that quite life.
But here, my twinkle. My main cow say committee no Muguso must submit a report to the minister in the ensuing days. No, and idea anymore. America and be a behavior of and also come the findings of the committee. No, Yemfan Cameo Nhyira 104.5. Kramusem and Osuguswe medical culture say Honorable Michael Ukwamoa, former MC Achuma Ngwabeja Municipal Osansuye MPP Ashanti Regional Secretary. Hopeful or no entertainment in bedin komai. Yes, honorable. So sana wo kano na obana me to fire. Na minito esan say. Ohe baby anan kenso nyiri wa me kai se bremi no adi nkomo pen wo honom na asori bi hyensuo mu ho baby na wo se mu bugu ni ade na no so da ho se minim se ebesi ne se mo bu agu se den yo o ma free ho good. Enema bebre koso a ya ebisa se enti obia ni sabi obi timi ka se pani ni kro mu ya wo tibia ya enhaw.
Idea hard. The great mean hard papa. Say you crew, Munampin for crew. It may may ya dini. Nothing about some by us, mamma. Idea hard. Idea hard.
That's right.
What I say now. Maybe Jana twin Fana, Cocujina, and penny force, and penny force, and penny force.
You can't to memphone Suzuka.
One big to memphone, I'm telling you, say, and put to a maybe actually piano a year, two size ways. What I say? A year on Manfono and Cassagina Yambisi, and ne and penny for a down man and say, yes, I remember saying in the committee for say, I am say, ye members of parliament and as be a president and our ministers. Safa no na kabo mama bibi adwuma da bia be ka se dalam si ya so ya si ya itu sai se Timamfo no any admire anye kroa. But you did see a bed.
But on the way, say human beings are inspected to do what they are expected to do.
Human beings are
they are inspected to do what they are expected to do. It is a why inspecting one. Or no, the Ujani Pemanua, or bed your poo.
So what I say.
Okay.
Not when you are dealing with a group. What I say. Not when you are dealing with a group. And it's a whole community. It cannot be easy. But if they don't support you, Galamsey, for example, me say, "Open so call Galamsey site here." Mutwimfa phone call. Mutwimfa motor call. The motor call krana ebia obi hu kwa spy na kwa hwese e dwumaziko. Ba so person kokoye adwumadi bia ebidim bia no is what the car call.
Okay.
So I say car no e kro no car community wura car kro no anu bia eguru se kokwa ba kro. Baby one cramp na it be heda and abia anka bia na say amangu bia se na obi de abia kwadu bia besi ho ana se bia o tomo bi kro bia ni ho no betra ho obi na heda bodo pass o metra ho na bibi twema obi twema ire what so mamponfo si nkite esi gina say ye mpe galamsi du ase galamsi atuma ko mampon ntimi ko mampon asad now offenso I know so offenso there was a similar caveat offenso na kasa be biska baby no offenso and so and there offenso baby any one my fear assassin baby any to galamsi because ohene no and o man flag jet to say
o makwan
ya makwan mampon sana dasibri is dey isi gida ye man for tanachi agina
na tesa ahemfo no otumi so musikwan
na kurube asasebe ti akwasebe na niwura. There is no ownerless land in this country. There is no ownerless land in this country. Asase bia wura. Uko kurubie mu a obie nim asase bia da ho no ni wura. It did na den say a best keep good to sound for because ignorance of the law
is an excuse, yeah.
So what I say. The government must have the political will to say come what may. We never bua on man for no. I may suffer temporary setback today. But it be something I bear in you to the good of the people.
Okay.
Okay. Man for so it see gina say we what ye ni asefo. So that enti adwuma de mu ye nia ya ni ye mu. And pay money abri nia
sa.
But you see ye ya na de aye amanyosem. Amanyosem no aye this no manu a touch it directly on the lives of the people no. Eno ni adia edi omanya. This is the bane of this country. Everything has been reduced into politics.
My instances.
So, I because say Galamsi de Kun, Kabay now, I also come bipartisan friends approach. Which I say, NDC and people for Yinaka say no. You have done enough of politics about this thing. This is an existential threat.
Okay.
Can we hold on and see how best we can all fashion out a way I bet my day. It means I'm a Kusadia.
Okay.
So who say MPP and
NDC. Okay.
But so the year politics now to take advantage of it. People will hold you to account for one kasa commitment. And our promise now this is what is happening. Share which we cause of fighting can see in soon now a year's wegman. If you are quana echo soon soon edaha. If you don't know the Edmano, this is a very free point A, not a point B. What the police for now? And soon be a doctor,
yes.
Quite a honey, also Jerry. This would be Yari. Police food to be in Yari. I don't know Yari.
Okay. And Ocrese, more less resourced into Namuntimin Kosakon.
Apart from that, your war challenges are, and yet that has got nothing to do with the resources.
Okay.
For example, Anajo. What I say? Operations being a bit more Anajo SMC. It's awesome. So what I say.
Okay.
And I don't know more ye adwuma nsuo no so na adwo no. Obere ma ko community. Okay? Me anka party form pedimfo be bi ho no mo. Me ye me policy na me de wa ban mu say. Me kokro bi amu a say your official function say dey me kokro me party form pedimfo no.
Okay.
Akwacha wo.
Okay.
Se galam say okro bi mu. Na wo akwa operation wo ho. Na wo na akwacha pagini bi no a sada no so tu free kromo.
Where they?
Sada no o say nipa na akosra no no. Okwacha wo pagini no so tu free kromo because what am beka asma here dey agere wo. Hey. It will be a dream. Me and go to one more. What man? I have information going today. Unyabi. You could not get 2 or more. Yes, I did.
Okay. Honorable, yen zero in a year common. So say a year a funnel. Say your casa assemblies not now will be a sedan. Now I say, and I'm dying of see and was yes in so. I mean, so a year farmer for Tienko Bunis Animano. I dainty and I was a bassa.
Obi can I say the assemblies are under resourced. Emma ordinary yarding.
Many yarding.
Ordinary yarding is under resource. Okay. Nipa, I will say, or more call a co inspecting Sanomaniano. In fact, assemblies in the door. It will be a very large area and I'm back for. And now, we are political head. No, you don't have any way of knowing, say, Nipana or in a man. So, it is assemblyman or any committee for because assemblyman would know your eye. Any party for no horror. You will need a video saying. It is assemblyman or Anya day, mamma can't also see near Koso. Committee for Anka, no party for Anka. Why are not corner with you because and some of them I can tell you they start because they come to us. Issues simple moment you go na mako jiskana afi na wo jiska ko so no ko buso ko kubu na akwa kwase no na afi na eno na nsam na e apie ba. So some of them
there are instances are otete by boy assembly members who are catch DC so onya ho hwe.
Well, minim yenti ai bia DC ontu sa na mo no.
Okay.
So by the media they make come na ko wie de say apan ko ntimi nyesa adwuma we. Apan ko ntimi nyesa adwuma we. Hwe a dan ye kwakoto obi pin koto prod onim se ho yinsuo ni aka kire se ensuo mu yesi dan si hu man yi na sakase ne fo nti o se sika ne wanya broso hu ndo di o na wa je pene na wa to asase ne wo no wesi dan si wo owia no aka kire ban se ensuo fo no. This is where your responsibility at my for edeba wo obi aba ha ye pasam ensuo asem beba o chase ye beka ba eba no obi enu obenyama na si ginaye se me de sa de obi so no. Okay. In fact, what chase so be your crowd room kwara ye obi mo make two for say masa your friends eh you na be your man yi entino sa de na e ho
oji tum so say ye oba bi wo no mo a enya owra wo sini dan e bi kwa watenem for so many years but obi inactions bi obi a wato asase bi obi of oye failing
ye be me ba na me tie baby one more and ye kumasi baby and me kra me abuakwa my asale ma for 12 years and so am tot down my baby am flooded. Okay. And then so to na say wutwam akọ eye manhia and so akwa na so a isu bi ho isu bi wo eye ayongate one. Okay. So di agro na so ka no nye mu yedua isu
be fana ko
ya tutu wadro fridge between town fridge Fred, you are talking too soon. But do not talk to. Oh, what I say? Now, and so on, so no, and you had the obituary, and so the old and so by pine a coin. It's a good done also, man, and got a hard one because I they find a way. Okay. And the evening,
it wasn't beside Abakumadi, Nhyira Koso. It says, which you had it watching.
Yes.
What is the problem?
About my dear engineering problem. Say, apart from the air, because about when you said also, Nhyira. What I say, but Honus was one
serious.
Oh, yes. Honus was one dorsal.
And like a kaboom
is one dorsal, Tino, baby of a Fabiara. Just say, and so it's what the engineering or say, a quino now say, ye be any bone, ye quino, you have said, you know, ready. You say, ye Tim from Tana say, ye two Ukrainians and swat. A ball and grounds were and see another matter. And you know, any abankwa to me, yes, I'm telling you. I've been there before, and I know what.
Why assembly more Abakumedi open?
Assembly man never coming.
Come home.
Never
na almost sit down yes so no at the time what happened
Abakumedi osha baby kakra bi na ye friend say e wo amanfo sit down so but omotu
into problem near den wa Abakumedi
problem na make us Abakumedi dey say
engineering problem is saying
e be ye kwan no ye fresh drains no
there's a drains in hunting so chifa amanfo so sa no at your time no then how ye
what I say where me fancy where into me fancy to a large extent nipa do sit down low land areas where no low land
any senke sit down
I will not be able to
a Ramsar site no because road there mean say
I will not be able to say that what I say because yeah can yeah
me see reasoning more bro for can say reasoning no trafa ho
I want to say cry there aban cry you cry there o mama ade na cry simple ama akrache for no ma mo ye de ompe
sir
oh yeah because see an permit no can na permit janka DC wo san bi no and DC wo san permit so when the bebia bituma me call Canada first me call Canada by my authorize any kiosk
okay
see am fa kiosk baby ada
okay
what I say
okay
but no o ma fa actually no ma kwa
why mo na yemo permit no na dey mo
and make say
and without permit crash for no how mo sha wo wase
because the point is that say no mra no amode aba no emma wo kwan ma wo permit ebio yes ye ni adaje won say ye ni adaje this fo ni adaje enti permit no ntimi begu
enti crash for no entimi
akopalice what I say na amanfo
but it's all now chairman of the committee it's a vision
no sir build a different temporary structure permit in there nya dia eba SPC oh MSPC no better by SPC it eba ho na wo kan wasem
na eni say eba ho and I'm running na nti na man na won kasa adi nti na man na won kasa
see I'm telling you obehunu ne obi akwa you no know
na wo hu a then na wo ye
wo dia ba act
wo act say wo ye den
ada so be ye free ho.
So have you done some before? What yes, before?
Oh yes.
Why when my permits I be a yiri no. O my permits ma musisi dance Abakumedi ho ni say no. I'm gonna say permits.
Permit say assembly in my permit.
At your time you gave permits.
I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly because say any baby. I wouldn't be able to.
Afari so.
And just after me so. So you not be able to tell. Anyway. So probably permit baby about any you won't be able to tell say free Abakumedi and say. I said nah. I don't think so. By the time I buy an Abakumedi there, it be a sissy dining in every day. Because I then they build that community. And TB will be by Nibia. Then I was see what and then the job payment.
I see. Until Abakumedi problem no. Also, any drainage systems.
Oh, you can't else.
Yeah, quite any drainage. Remember, sir, you need to echa.
You better to echa. Baby, I drains near the flood. Oh, just because Subanwa. Ebe dem flood.
Suban na dia hin no.
Suban na make us two fridges one man you were drogu egunsu.
But as some more bylaws. Obi to bibi go baby any say to go. Why don't you implement the laws?
Yeah, opa my mama assignment wa ofi out here. So we decided say obeto a year go no. This was repair. Asana what match nipa no. Obi repair. Asana watch nipa. So we say so be di bone ho no mo. Obeto we go ayi mu. This was repair.
Asana match nipa no. But asana me muntimi repair.
Hasn't got there.
Now mon pay tax force
resources to be able to do that. Now tax force me say a committee for djuma. Committee for ni assembly members djuma. Committee for through. We go na muti promo. So
aban sika bebrebe nyina ntimi solve wa. Then we have no future. Say what has a problem you a persist a cost we. Say mo say mo need sika, mo need resources nti when you say I just say be an adwon wa ko 10 pound wetimi ache no. Na say ntimi nya. E just say you need future.
We no nya resources ye dey you. Ni sika nya sika ni ye dey you.
Nti adenti
ye human resource. Na human resource no untumi employ nipa. Say monko patrol anadwo ni adi nyina say obi koto ball.
Add interest sika ntra.
How is it possible?
Is it not sika be trying to country?
Maybe you anadwo no me fan say na yifu ekra volunteer for ekra. Mo ekra wo dey say the volunteer for si o modjuma. I just tell her it mean pockets of free theft here and there.
But one baby Awuku. Baby Awuku.
Abakumedi no. Unum the size of Abakumedi. Eso. You dey so say o pay nipa kra mo petrol or no how say amount for 2 million enwuade mu na how practical boy say.
But when him drainage na o to eni gum no. Te no sa drainage system na o to e gum no okay.
Enye drain back. We drain is say so.
But at least pockets of people, I mean, watchdog be, what
dog they say? What dog said to check, say, people, I'm going to you, Zumana?
Yes.
Oh, come on. You are overstretching this matter.
Really?
I'm telling you, it's not practically.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Then we are doomed.
Assembly, no. I'm going to Timemu phone. And then I war. What to crum? No who's will be to a dear baby. Yet to come to a no between Eddie, no, 2 at the end of a camp. Wow, we are no dinner kind. They are all telling China, yes, I dinner kind. What I say, how is it possible for government to beat my day? I employ Nipa. I'll be Moka. Say, Mon Petro, the community said, those an organ. Namon say, we've been to a young hard answer. No, it's not possible. If you have a chance now, what you know, not nice, get good. No, be able to say, so I had this handy and I say, Chua. Okay. But say, no, it's not possible. Now, committee for
say, yeah, be able to pay you. Yeah, I understand. Problem, no, dear.
And I'm saying, a fan,
okay.
On Baba from the
okay.
Say, I can say, yeah, buy your dreams. I buy your dreams.
Okay.
I said, Quina, I buy ye. But say, you be getting about Bansono, and you're possible. It can work. Okay. I was sitting before I get to say, if you and yet, what Germany out in 2 the sort of one.
That is why as make a bylaws na same tebia
I don't know
at the time what time would the bylaws need to be so what to ball ego baby ya chiwo ya de wakom e de agina mranim.
It doesn't come off.
You see enti enye emo bia hu so obeye sa ade no
and I make us say
emra so ho
and I make us say there have been instances bia ye no bia also environmental sanitation unit no so atiki.
Okay.
Noise pollution but sometimes it don't come to you. A problem
Honorable Yanko Afari, say now who said this situation. People are accusing you some time one time identity and they minority call who in their equity or her you
see almost say the equity Afari down on answer. I can say it was a new thing. A new question.
And Kai say a Honorable Michael Awuku, former MC, Yachuman Webeja, Municipal, and also MPP, Ashanti Regional Secretary, hopeful Nadine Common. The interview is a question is na catch it in Pesua Nasa Hospital. Yes, to
so, I didn't know I will be this year, tears will be mango. You say, where security zone. Security, where security zone, security facility. That project has not even been handed over to government. Whatever security is there is for the protection of the facility. What I say? And yes, be hand over the facility to the military. It's not yet for the military because it has not been handed over to government. It is almost a police new Hana say be a security board more. Bob say be baby. Members of parliament say Omoba, Amaba it media abani edi wono. Didn't say, you better allow me say, be a say, be a bamboo grow or quiet. It a mom. Now, if you say, you're more quiet or my writing. Members of Parliament, go to a bangu.
More time, Lila and Van der Poy Muko.
They were there.
It happened.
Oh, yes, me cramity,
but it happened.
It happened.
When you our sanctions,
no. And they didn't need to come to me. They didn't need to come because the project was under construction. It was what I say. See, says classroom block be a war. Woman Temua. Would be found uncle. In fact, we encourage encourage a man for say. Ye baby, ye project will crumha. Chrono ye yagmana ye be ya momo. Maybe this even take crumha. What I say?
It is such a prevent
you. And a better muntibun sum from any mecam, Brana Bramonsramo. Now, so we become number Yamon crying.
So that one prevent one authority, one sanction.
I don't know.
And you heard it.
Oh, yes.
And then I will confirm. Who can show at that time? Then I'll carry. Say, of course, no, time Nina Lantivanda poem call on the Cosian. Then I'll confirm because you were the MC.
And I make a say, Micramanti.
One to cry.
Because they didn't come to me.
And to make I say it was unfortunate. Say sadly see. Say MPs project that is ana so that for be heck.
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't know what mobility.
Okay.
I didn't know What I say, media people can do that. Because media and so most this mason at their moment. You say, when I'm here, the fourth estate of the realm. And he didn't any can say, St. Jenny Beko, maybe I
scrutiny, I do be feminine and sana, Ukrano, West Free Wakono.
And he say, do good side, and that's a because of says, at the end of Mamma Quang, so be because I say, yeah, we are St. Jenny as a Pekama, a Mamako. It is a Konoko Eco criteria. A better than more much me, the echoes or no much me,
yeah. Until who said now, St. Comco MC or
me say it was Nicholas and Comco cry.
Nicholas and Comco.
Maybe Nipano Hono, get in an on a more extra much to say this is it. What I say? Yeah, Barney Babash, because certainly no so can so quack or here in now, on be refusal.
There's MPs and my activity.
No. What I'm saying is there's also a quack for the hospital was they refuse.
Yes.
They will not allow you.
Don't call day.
Me say they will not allow you. It is also person where the right person who cause one. What do? You go there and talk to the person who is in charge at the time.
No secret permission.
Security security no a chair no introduce so much so many members of parliament. And will be a moment to only for somebody to hear and then give a counter and say Omrano stop woman from there. It is a be a say Omokoya security war no more the mubu gate in and as be on no. Nipa or no in charge of security or no one can say no chance or introduce so many members of parliament. And will be car no a civilian nobody room.
After then I can't Emma where
guy.
Huh?
Shinka for you.
Shinka is I say.
I'm telling you, Bibi anywhere Akaho.
Bibia machines, Bibia
everything.
Are you telling me?
I am telling you. I'm taking it from me. I'm telling you, as at the time we live in office, everything was intact, 100% complete. In fact, they have started training. No matter I have said a training staff. Former member of parliament. And then a koi say a nest.
Young fan of Afari.
Yes. When you are 12 years old.
Electricity will ho. Oh. But then it prevents him from mobile phone.
Yeah, then common opinion could be a weird. But the contractors didn't make themselves available. They didn't hand over the project.
How?
Because almost more contractual differences.
The
big at the time we were leaving office. I buy contractor.
Okay.
One penny, one peso. Government was not owing to the
contract.
Yes.
I
think so.
And project and Akasi didn't say.
Yeah, just show the videos.
No, seriously.
Show the videos.
This is madness.
Show the video. Me say we had done everything. And video room, me say omu training ayi. Me see nipa ba ko a me MP di no call here for exam literature. And then oye adwuma.
Oye say the where CFU aye.
What I say?
And the differences no chemu.
And no differences no. And you know I say Jumana edema contractor so the Jumana
for subletting will be
yes. Into the Tawantana ba between unknown and the subcontractors.
Goodness. And who are buying one more big contract. Now so we now the big sublet or the mobi. Then you pan one penny and then you leave the person
on hand over Monday. On hand over Monday. Won't think I say a friend saying also enter.
But much yamu dear and I can't on contract and any no being Thomasem. So can the government order say your chair carry a new car, open the facility for us?
As you see, I'm going say or no also hand over so we.
Oh.
So that's it. And also hand over so we.
Mama say me I tin you.
And I'm saying the emphasis should have been for government to help
for your government
parties no to resolve that matter. But
everybody say
no na for few friends and to attack the cook. Until almost 2 years here. Say if there are any challenges near there, we should be able to sit down and I want to say sir Bawi children's hospital. I was contract I hand over until the government cannot enter. Oh, and be anyone I see Bibia, Miss Bibia, Bibia, what show videos now, bet you Bibia, Bibia. So that's it. You move training among for. I buy new bika. Into head in a video as now almost 2 years into me. Into because and I'm on a man commission. It was wrong.
Okay.
But what about them? So we are the commission.
Okay.
What about the friends a traded a commission?
Okay.
What about a room there commission?
All right.
What are we doing? So the argument in there almost 50 posts.
Okay.
Because there are those that we commission.
All right.
What are you putting those facilities to?
Okay. Honorable, you hear elections are internal elections are internal rooms. There are places are due to say I can side jobbing. Yeah, within injunction at Sonia they say about 88 from the polling station. Custom votes and also oman contest be. They mention Kwakwa, so no original rep or so. Now by 4 p.m. no matter what 88. Yes.
4 p.m.
Also 4 p.m.
Also
4 p.m. no matter what.
And I said, I know there any wrong because I was started be 8 or 9.
Okay.
But the be a time say between 8 and 9, you better police station A there. Between 9 and 10, you better police station B there. Into Umbe for the day, no. So be Umbe and by 4.
Okay.
Into it doesn't.
So 88 polling stations are to be no. Now you say is it done?
Me
Okay.
I will not be able to speak to her because we need the accuracy.
Okay.
Say Bia will be the anchor form. And I will be cover form Bia be into or disqualified and I will be a no posa or man.
But the banasa Nase the banasa mutumi jina so the mumrano ABB a fahu.
Oh sir I make us say bu on moi only 40 years now corporate youth organizer. Process nankasa na nankasa be
reject.
And I say, so could the secretary also at least we need SS so crisis and so and the process very ghetto. And you know, some friends and checks behind the system.
Okay.
So Bassa and I say disqualify and your party in I am from so.
Okay.
Yeah, but I dare yes.
Open secretary.
The secretary Yamiadma.
Didn't he?
Before say Yamiadma my party match. At the time the party was organized along the ward system. Now I'm a ward secretary. I'm a ward secretary for 4 years. I'm a constituency youth organizer. And for 8 years. I'm a organizer for another 8 years. And I'm a communications director. And so for 4 years. And I'm a constituency secretary. And so I'm a MC for 8 years. And my assemblyman for 12 good years. Into all my life in there, it has been about working with and for the people. Until enough experience. The party has also given me so much experience and exposure. I'm for says I bring no party no a war akono. Some of us are so war around for a long time no. You between us step up your foot into the plate. Yet my ready between idea boa. In fact, near no Santa Regional Communication friends directorate and also a communication team no. I've been a member of PREM from day one. I've been and Nipa trainee a party for near Dina so make a
okay.
I was at one point in time I was the welfare committee secretary. I'm in Urakudia and an A Jumani idea. And many people be our Juma, many MPs, Bessie Noom, and a Juma. Mene Uranto, FFanto, and then I Juma, mene Ura Macmeno, I Juma, mene Ura Yamanquamo, and I Juma. Into over the years, no, many enough exposure and experience I've for say, Sabri, no, ye war a year, Akono, to be here some of us. Now, the party, so ye my and you be a boy, and my party, and so I did agenda. So it's obvious, we can't get 2028 wrong. Be our party near or MPP near or very serious, and I'm putting MPP near so I Ghana near Ghana come Ghana done come up on swell. You should know.
Okay.
Say 2028.
And you say,
and ya dear, or say a Ludian. 2028 should know the Ludas.
Honorable final words, nothing fancy.
And did I made a mechanic say, Yamia Duma, August 8th or 9th, one of them, the Betraba, Elha.
Okay.
And so may you meet say, party for no a bois. Now I trouble my answer regional secretary. Now fake me actually in my year.
Okay.
Because I can. This is the time political party like MPP, you go back to our roots.
All right.
Now you share the year, and then
great.
I say, you be more heading. I don't know, I party. I think say we need serious introspection.
Okay. We name Shegu, or some was shady.
What I say. In Tiano, a idea, and this is the time as a party in Ankasana, a share party, near assemble the best crop of people. Na it me a year, Jumano,
okay.
We cannot afford to lose 2028.
Great. Honorable Yabedasipi, well, family, Honorable Michael Awuku, former MC Achuma Obeja, and Sanso Secretary for the NPP in Ashanti region. I'm say and then